knell of a requiem bell. Here goes King where the spirits dwell. Restless bones and alien lies. Lies as books of every size. Grin-grinning ghosts come out to socialize. When the crystals creak and the tombstones quake, spooks come out, more swing and wake. Happy
Welcome, my friends, to the most spirited season of them all. I am your host, your ghost host. The 999 happy haunts and I are ready to materialize for a spectacular celebration. You never know who'll drop in. After all, this is Halloween!
This is Halloween, this is Halloween, 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 Halloween. Would you like to see something strange? Come with us and you will see. It's our world of Halloween. Oh, this is Halloween, this is Halloween. Pumpkin scream in the dead of night. This is Halloween, everybody make a scene, trick or treat till the next one.
Disembodied friends would like to serenade you with some scary Oogie. Just a few of our favorite tunes that we dug up for the occasion. We hope you'll enjoy a little night music. Feel free to sing along.
We're just some poor unfortunate souls in pain, in need. Trust in me, just in me. Shut your eyes. Trust in me. I have a lump of woozle, it's very confusing. I have a lump of woozle, very sly. They come in ones and twos, but if they so choose us before your eyes, you'll see them multiply. They're here, and now the elephants everywhere. Look out! Look out! The elephants on parade!
drop in.
This is what I live for. It's such a wicked time of year, isn't it? And I have just the spell to put us all in the mood. Lucas and Ruga come wind from the Caspian Sea. The Princess Lacinus, Max Laryngitis, La Voce to me. Now sing. Sing! Sing!
Unfortunate souls in pain in the end. Unfortunate souls in pain in the end. So true. Unfortunate souls. Be prepared.
Trick or treat! It is I, Jafar! I'm sure you will dream of starting the fun without me!
Why, you're dead right.
Well then, let me treat you all to a little sorcery in the sky! You call that magic? Move, old boy, and let Mr. Oogie kick it up a notch. Well, 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 what have we here? A trick-or-treater, huh? Oh, I'm really scared. So you're the ones they're talking about. When Mr. Oogie Boogie says let's trouble close at hand, you better pay attention now, cause I'm the Boogie Man.
And now, to end our ghostly gathering, we invite you to partake in our favorite Halloween tradition, the Scream Along. Any volunteers? Just scream like you're trying to wake the